Yes. Yes.
Okay.
You wanna play?
Yeah.
Okay. We're here now. We can go play.
Okay.
Okay, but we'll get coffee first.
No. Okay.
You wanna play? It will be really quick, I promise.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I mean, Mama will get the hot chocolate first.
Okay.
Okay, and then after that, straight away, we'll go inside the playgroup. Is that okay with you?
No.
No. Is that okay, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, princess. Thank you. Thank you, Lini. Thank you. You're doing really well, okay? Very happy.
Hey, why are you copying me? I said, hey, why are you copying me? Whatever I do.
Good morning. Say good morning, guys. Lynn,
Good morning, guys.
good morning there.
Morning.
Morning.
I'm here. Hey.
Hair. Showing your hair. We're getting ready because Ate Paris is going to school and she is doing really well with her breakfast. I'm very proud. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, mukha. Nagpula-pula. Galing yan kagabi. Ang hirap tanggalin. No. Hirap tanggalin. Si mami nyo ay nagre-ready lang muna. Escanol pa more.
I'm going to drink with the...
Hindi. Good job, ate.
Mine. There's still cereal inside. I'm going to drink it with it.
Yeah?
That's what I'm doing. Mommy. Baby. Mommy. 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 Mama. Mommy. Mommy. Out my door. Guys, here.
This little piggy went to market. Huh? Hindi ba bakawan si mama? This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had a roast. Are we going to the playgroup?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you excited? Are you excited?
Mommy.
Yes. Okay. Do na eat. Okay lang to siya na hindi kumain, guys. Kasi nagdediman to siya. Before siya bumabangon, ay, yan, nagdediman siya. Mama. Okay, Mama will just brush her hair and then we're going, okay? Ano sila?
When can I come with you?
It's hard, honey, because you're going to school. Next time, okay?
When?
I don't think you can because you're going to school Mondays to Fridays. Yeah? Yung sapatos iniwan sa sasakyan. Tingnan nyo ang sapatos. Lini, wait. A little bit, anak. Kaya mong ating marag sulongkoy.
I got to look her.
Good girl.
I'm a mermaid.
Come on now. Come on. She's been a really good girl this morning, guys. I told her. Just makes life so much easier when she just eats. Mama don't need to push. So she ate by herself and finished it all. So proud.
And even the milk.
That's right, yeah. Come on. Ling Ling! It's been raining all night last night. Look, it's so wet. Pero lumabas si Haring out. Tingnan niyo. Oh, may basa pa oh. Lini girl! Hey, come here. But it's going to be a cloudy day today. 26.
I even ate all my vitamins.
I know, yeah. So good. Lin, this way na anak. Come on, because we're going to playgroup, remember? Remember the toys? Come on. Okay. Good girl. You go on the other side. That's Artie's seat. Go on the other side. On the other side. Come on. That's Artie's side. Come on, we'll go on the other side, please. Play. Oh my Lord. Una-una naman si Inday. Gate opener. Come on. Thank you, Lini. Come on. Thank you, Ate. Come on. No, you have to go. Come on, Akis. Let's sit in closer. That's her job. Sus, gidugay-dugay lagid mo na.
Yeah, I want it.
There. Okay, lahat po sa iyang bangag. Come on, anak. Quick, come on. Kakit na lang gid nimo anak, oy. Mura man kag tiguang nga gamay. La Ati's leaving. Come on, go run to Ati. Go run to Ati. Hold hands, come on. See Ati is there. Oh, carry it. Lord. Alright. Oh. Okay, go give Ate Paris a kiss. Ate, get your brain break here, my love. Your plan here. It's got almonds for her brain break today. No touching that one, Lini, okay? Here, Ate. Ate. Aww. Come on, let's go.
Mom, this is my turn.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I can see it. Here, my love. Give me a kiss.
Want me to go in now?
Love you. You have a good day, okay? Yeah. You say good morning, okay? Bye-bye, Ate.
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna get Ate Paris's food. This way. Appy, I know. Very colorful.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go. We gotta go to our playgroup. Remember? Remember our playgroup?
Play.
Yeah. Play. It's fun in there. This way. Very cute. Very cute naman ang outfit mo, anak. Yung no slide here because your bum will get dirty. Come on. Ay, no, lagi. Carry na lang. Slide ka ka. Are we going to a playgroup now? Yeah. Is Celine excited? Yes. So it's Thursday and you know the drill, yes. You know the drill when it's Thursday morning. Yeah, playgroup namin ni Baby Celine. So we're driving there now. And doon na lang kami kakape sa cafe harapan ng playgroup. Daddy Mike's working sa office today, which feels strange kasi normally, di ba, alam nyo, Friday, yan siya pumupunta ng office. But apparently, he's got some training to do with some new stuff. Kailangan niyang pumunta. nag-book ako ng appointment for my nails dito. Ang aking guys, fingernails I haven't done since last year nung umuwi kami ng Pinas. I think that was the last time. And then nilinisan ko siya, of course, no? Hindi ako nagpa-kulay, nail polish or gel, whatever. Wala. But since we're going to may okasyon ngayong Saturday, guys, meron kami pupuntahan. Sabi ko, why not? You know, para naman maganda ang ating kuko, So I booked at this place kung saan, remember last night, yung friend ko si Amy, tinanong ko siya kung saan siya nagpapagawa kasi gusto ko yung malapit lang ba. Normally kasi yung nagustuhan ko na gumagawa ng nails ko 25 minutes drive. Sabi ko baka merong closer, and then she recommended me this place. Malapit lang, guys, less than 5 minutes lang ata yung drive. Sabi niya she's really good but she takes forever to clean your nails, and that's what I want. Kasi dito sa Australia, guys, kapag nililinisan nila yung kuko mo, hindi talaga siya manicure katulad sa Pilipinas na yung cuticle ay kinukot-kot talaga. Wala, hindi sila ganun kasi natatakot sila na masugatan ka or whatnot. So this place, sabi niya, she's taking her time. Parang ginaganon niya talaga, nililinisan niya mabuti, sineshape niya ng mabuti. So I said, I wanna give her a go. Chinese daw siya. So, dapat sana yung appointment ko at 6:30 tonight. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, and then Daddy Mike said, unfortunately, he has to work sa office today, so kailangan kong i-cancel. And I was so shy, kasi alam niyo yun, like, ayaw ko ng first impression ng babaeng yun na, first na appointment, cancel ka agad. But, yeah, I didn't see it coming. So, nag-sorry ako, of course. And I rescheduled it for tomorrow, 6:30, since Daddy Mike is working from home and maaga siyang matatapos. So, he can keep an eye sa mga kiddos. And I can go get my nails done. I'm so excited. Anyways, we're here now. Lapit lang, no? Ilang minutes lang ang chika, dito na kami. Isa na may parking. Dami ng mga tao na. Lini! I love you, Lini. Ay, you're kissing Mama. You're so sweet, my princess. My Lini. Okay, we'll go get coffee first lang. Before. I love you, sweetheart. We're here now. Okay.
Mommy.
Okay, Baba. Okay.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes.
Okay.
You wanna play?
Yeah.
Okay. We're here now. We can go play.
Okay.
Okay, but we'll get coffee first.
No. Okay.
You wanna play? It will be really quick, I promise.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I mean, Mama will get the hot chocolate first.
Okay.
Okay, and then after that, straight away, we'll go inside the playgroup. Is that okay with you?
No.
Is that okay, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, princess. Good driving. Whoa. She's so excited for today. Whoa. Is that what is that? Train? Train?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's painting time. Look at that. Wow. Look. Pink, purple. Great job, Celine. This is why she loves this place very much, guys. And she is free to do everything. You can use white too, honey. You've got white, see? There, good job. That's fun. Pero okay lang na ano kasi washable naman tong paint. Napunta sa damit. Very good, Celine. Kagabi, nung pinapatulog ko siya, sinasabihan ko siya, we'll go to the playgroup tomorrow. Kahit nagdede siya, sinasabihan niya, yes! Yes! Alam na alam niya na to. Good job, Celine! Sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up now. Hop, 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 hop the bunny, hop, 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 hop the bunny. What do you want to do? Okay. Do you want to move it here, like that? Okay. Here's Vinny and her scooter. Come on, be careful, please. Wow. You're getting better and better every day. What would you like to do? Okay, moved here. Move it here, like this. Okay, keep going. So we just got home from the playgroup, guys, and dito kami sa garage, may kinuha lang ako, and of course, hindi pwede pupunta kami dito sa garahe without her playing with her scooter. So I give her 5 to 10 minutes, and then akyat na kami for her nap. Walang araw today, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kaninang umaga was actually very sunny. Tingnan nyo ang pinakain ko, guys. Basang-basa. Hey, Nigaw! Tingnan nyo, oh. Murag naglangoy. Nagkaon ka, nak. Naligo. Water everywhere. Hey! Yeah. What did you do to yourself? Look! It's so wet!
No. No.
Tulgo naman eh. Mama, bite you, babe? Haba, mama, kiss na lang with sound. With sound. Kiss with sound. I love you. Alright, anak. I'll change your clothes. It's nap time for you, okay? I'm actually just packing stuff, guys. So later, after picking up at the Paris, we'll go straight to the post office. We'll post this, and ginamit ko na yung ating. Ito yung nahuhubot ko eh. Ito yung ginamit ko at first. Remember? Nakita ko to sa inyo sa vlog. See? Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours. That's so cute. It's 1:20 and magkakape ako. I don't feel like eating. Pero magkakape? Lunchtime? Ang ating baby Celine pala ay nakatulog sa couch. Pinadedi ko siya. Tapos nakatulog. Ngayon she's moving. Now she's okay. She's okay. I've got no choice. Gusto ko man original lang yung meron ako. Tapos parisan ko nito, guys. Alam niyo ba, this one, Digestives, the original, para siyang Marie sa Pinas. Masarap siya para sa kape ba? Ganito siya. Ganyan. Nag-boil na ba ito? Naluka-luka na ako. Nakalimutan ko na kung nag-boil ako ng tubig or hindi. Buti na lang nakatulog ang ating baby si Lane para may chance akong mag-pack. Kasi nga, as mentioned, I need to post few stuff today after school pickup. So, straight away after pick-upin namin sa Ate Paris, sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, maglalakad lang kami. Kasi it's very nice day. Even though makulimlim siya, hindi siya maginaw. But, I have too much stuff to carry. So, magdadrive na lang siguro ako. Uy, pakita ko sa inyo. Nagamit ko na rin yung itong heart na anong tawag dito? Bubble wrap? Ayan. Heart na pink. Super cute. So, I sold this. Ayan. I sold my Hermes wallet sa eBay. And have a look at that heart, guys, na pa-comment. Ayan. Beyond grateful. Thank you so much. Super nice. So, I'm saying goodbye to this wallet now. In love ako sa wallet na to, guys, when I got it. I also purchased it from Japan. And we have, you know, good memories with this wallet. But it's time to let go kasi ang dami na nila. Kailangan na natin ng cash. So, glad that I sold that one. And, yeah, so eBay. And right now, actually, I do have drama sa eBay. Tell your story, guys, and let me know what you think about this story, yeah. So, I don't know if nakapag-vlog ako. Nabenta ko yung Louis Vuitton ko na Tivoli GM. Obviously, they're all pre-owned. I've used them before. And, sinasabi ko naman lahat sa ads ko, guys, sa eBay. So, I had it up for $750. No, I had it up for $850 Australian dollars. So, merong nag-offer kasi may option na best offer, so the customer can offer kung anong gusto nila i-offer, diba? And then I can only say yes or no. I can do like counter offer. So, at first, yung inano niya, 600. Sabi ko sa sarili ko na it's 850, tapos 600 lang. And yung price ko talaga, guys, is, especially if I had the item for so long, gusto ko na lang siyang i-dispose. Like, balik to, na talaga, like, parang babang-baba na talaga, sagad na. And what happened was, I declined the offer. Tapos, she came back with another offer, which was $699. So, si 690, may 99 pa talaga, guys. Hindi na lang ginawang 700. So, I was in a good mood that day. So, sabi ko, okay, I'll take the $699. And you know what, guys? If you sell on eBay, even though I sell it for $699, eBay takes 14% of that. Yan yung fee na babayaran mo. And it means 600 na lang siguro yung maiiwan sa'yo after that. Anyways, pinost ko na, nilagay ko na sa box and everything. So, since it's under eBay's Authenticity Guarantee Program, hindi ko nakikita yung address ng customer. So, it will get sent straight to eBay. Meron silang parang office sa Sydney kung saan nandun yung kanilang mga authenticator kasi i-check nila yung authenticity ng bag and also the condition of the bag. So this time, I think like a few days later or a couple of days later, nag-send siya sa akin ng message yung customer. And even before that, guys, sobrang daming tanongan, blah, 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 which I understand. It's okay if you want to buy something and it's not, it's not 5 peso. It's, you're talking about like hundreds of dollars, right? So, I totally understand na kung may mga katanungan ka, that's why I said, if you have any other questions, please ask them before purchasing the item. Kasi para iwas na tayo sa drama later on. Yung nangyari, nakatanggap ako ng email, like message, eBay message from the customer. Sabi niya, nakatanggap na siya ng message, ng email from eBay saying that na-receive na nila yung bag sa Sydney and that meron daw mga scuffs, ayun yung mga little rubbings na hindi ko daw na-explain ng mabuti sa aking description. So, they're asking the customer if the customer would like to go ahead or return the bag to me and they will give the customer a refund. So, the customer contacted me. She was saying that I'm interested with the bag but because of this and blah blah, I was not aware of this even though nausap na kami beforehand about the marks. Nag-send na ako ng pictures sa kanya, guys, like loads of pictures. Anyways, because eBay probably didn't know that. So, yun yung sinabi sa kanya. Sabi niya, I'm interested with the bag. I'm happy to keep the bag if you give me $75 refund. $75 refund, guys. Oh my God. Like, nalula ako, guys. Like, parang libre na lang talaga yung bag ko. Anyways, I went back to her. I said, how about I'll give you $30 partial refund? That's all I can offer. If you're not gonna take it, I'm more than happy to take the bag back. Kasi alam kong mabibenta ko yung bag. If not now, later on. If not on eBay, somewhere else. There will be, someone who will buy the bag. So, she came back and she said, how about 40? So, meet halfway daw. So, ako tong very easy. And I said, okay, $40 then. Anyways, and then she asked me like, oh, is it going to be refunded to my account? I said, it will be like through eBay and blah blah, however you paid for the bag. Yun din, dun babalik yung refund. Ginawa ko na yung refund and I did it all through eBay. And that's what you should do as well. Don't do any if ever na need ng refund, partial refund and that, don't do it like outside eBay. You have to do it through eBay para lahat ng records ay nandoon. And so I said, yeah, I've done the refund. You should get an email from eBay. Na-refund ko na yung 40. So yung gagawin na lang niya, guys, is mag-message siya sa eBay na, okay, $40 na partial refund, I accepted, you can send the bag to me. And after I did the refund, guys, guess what? I did receive a message from eBay saying, we are returning the bag to you. So in my head, parang naano ako kaagad, sabi ko, no, after I did a $40 refund, i-return yung bag ko. So message ko siya, sabi ko, after the refund, you're returning the bag? Like, what? Can you please make me understand? Tapos, hindi pa siya nag-reply doon, guys. Napaisip ko, na maybe she thinks na kasi nirefund ko na siya ng $40 na partial refund. Akala siguro niya na kapag sinabi niya sa eBay na I'm not gonna go ahead with the bag, i-return ng eBay sa akin yung bag, ay makukuha niya yung full amount na binayad niya and meron siyang profit na $40, ganun. So, sinabi ko sa kanya, if you think na, you'll get like $40 of me, like mag-scam ako ng $40, then you thought wrong, very wrong. Kasi, if you do everything through eBay, may record sila, and yung $40 na inano ko, na partial refund ko, ginawa ko siya under sa, yung sale ba, hindi siya na, kinuha ko yung account niya tapos sinend ko yung $40. Hindi ganun. So, if yun yung nangyari, yeah, I'm effed. Like, it means my $40 siya from me and then she'll get her money back. Which I thought it was very sneaky thing to do, but I don't think she was smart enough to think na I did it through eBay. So, even though nag-refund ako ng 40, nagbayad siya sa akin ng, for example, 700, yung maibabalik lang sa kanya pag na-return yung bag sa akin ay 660. Ganun, kasi na-refund ko na yung 40 sa kanya. So, I don't understand people, guys. May mga tao talaga na very easy sa kanila ang manloko.
A few moments later.
2:44 na ng hapon and we just park outside Ate Paris' school. Yeah, someone's eating cookie. I-pick upin na natin ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Alam niyo ba na mini heart attack ako kanina? Tinawagan ako ng school. And kapag yung school na yung tumatawag, guys, agad-agad yung aking blood pressure ay tumataas. Kasi, you know, there's something na nangyari kapag tinawagan ka ng school. Anyways, nakausap ko yung yung parang sa health na department nila. Yun pala yung tumawag sa akin. Sinabihan na nila ako na it's just a courtesy call. Just letting you know that Paris played outside before sa kanilang break and she bumped her head sa pole daw. And they given her like ice and that. And she's back sa classroom nila and she's, you know, playing again. She's happy. But they just do it. It happened before. I think na-mention ko na rin sa probably last month sa isang vlog. Sa isang vlog natin na yun na nga, she bumped her head sa pole. So this is the second time na nangyari, guys. I don't know why she's doing that. She just have to be more careful. But yeah, courtesy call lang pala yun, just to let me know na yun yung nangyari. Kasi kapag daw anything happen with the head, kapag na-bump yung head, kailangan daw talagang ipaalam sa parents para may idea yung parents kung ano yung nangyayari sa school. Kaya it's not good that she bumped her head sa pole, but at least she's okay, she's good, she's happy. Ito pala yung bag ko for today, guys. Oh my god, nakita niyo na ba ang unboxing nito? Super nice. Love. Ito na naman yung pang-araw-araw ko ngayon. Hanggang sa may magpadala ulit ng bagong bag, yun na naman yung araw-arawin ko. Diba? Sobrang ganda nito. Look at that. Phone lang pala yung laman. Wala na ibang laman. Ay, meron palang remote. Anak! Ayaw pag buling-buling lang. Have a look at her. What are you eating? Pink, lagi kay ka lang. She's wearing pink. All pink. See? From the top, pants, and shoes, pink. Are you Miss Pink? Are you Barbie?
No, I'm Lily Mermaid.
Oh, Lily Mermaid? Hindi daw siya Barbie, Lily Mermaid daw siya. Okay. If you say so. Who's Ate? Is Ate a mermaid?
No,
Who is she?
that's not.
Huh?
That's not you.
Ate is not a mermaid? What is she?
Not you.
Not you?
Not here. Not. Not here.
Yeah.
No.
Daghan akong sabot na. Who is Mama?
That's not done.
Who's Ursula?
I'm Nini.
Is Lily Ursula?
Ate Mermaid.
Ate Mermaid?
Nini Mermaid.
Lily Mermaid too, yeah. And Mama too?
Not Nini Asla.
Lily Ursula.
I'm gonna pick mine.
What is that?
The
Nakauwi na kami, guys.
Mommy, I wanna see.
You wanna see? Okay. Gusto na naman ito pabili ng Ursula necklace, oh. Na, tanan na lang yun na. Kalangga mo na ni mama nga baby. Oh. It's nearly 5 o'clock. Alam niyo ba? Ngayon ko lang na-feel yung gutom. So, I didn't have anything today apart from the coffee kaninang umaga. Hot chocolate kaninang umaga. Tapos, coffee for lunchtime. Ako na talaga. Kaya siguro nagugutom na ako ngayon. Ngayon pa lang kumakalam yung sikmura ko, guys. Kaya, so, meron tayong ganito, cheese naan. I will try this one now for the first time. Pang snacks. Tingnan natin kung masarap ba ito. It's frozen. Tingnan nyo. Masarap yan kasi naan ba? Oops, daisy. Yung mga kids ay naglalaro sa bedroom. Ate? Ate? Are you okay? Celine, okay? Okay daw sila. I just remembered, may naiwan pa palang, ano tawag doon? Carbonara. Kagabi, luto ni Daddy Mike. So, yan yung iniinit ko ngayon, guys. We'll try this one. One lang. Ito, for later, for dinner. Naglabas na rin ako nito. Mag-steak tayo tonight. Para mabilis lang. So, when Daddy comes home, we'll cook and finito. We gotta eat. Tingnan niyo! Sobraan! Guys, nasunog, guys. Ay, masarap siya. Okay? Cheese sa loob. Namalalaman sa ulit. Ang sunog. Here's my food from last night. Sarap, sarap.
Nothing.
Try this one. This is really yummy. Trust me.
I'm just first. I'm two first. I'm gonna say idea apple.
Archie?
Archie no apple.
Yes, Celine. Where's Paris?
Where's Paris?
Archie no there.
Can you call Paris, Ate?
Archie no hello. Huh?
Oh,
Archie no also. Hello.
hello, Paris. How are you? Good.
Yes.
Good. Did you have a good day at school?
Yes. I'm an English.
Did you like your spelling book?
Yes. Oh!
Oh yeah, she loved that one, Mom. You know, like the writing, the tracing.
Yes.
I'm a hero. I'm a hero.
Oh my God, Celine.
Yes.
Archie no.
Archie, yes.
Can Mama talk now?
Mommy.
Mama talk now to Lola?
Hey guys, do you know what happened?
She's kissing your teeth.
Do you know what happened?
I know what happened. Your face is so bullying.
Look, guys. So I was standing and then Celine was starting to
Nak, yun sa mga mo yung make-up lang.
and Celine was starting to play with me, starting to kiss me. And then when she was following me, she kissed
She kissed your teeth.
she kissed my teeth.
That is Ate.
Ati kiss. Lily kiss. Lily kiss. Lily kiss. Kiss Lily. Lily.
See, na before she wanted to kiss you, palayo ka. Ano na? See,
Kiss! Kiss!
Ayaw lang. Don't say that lang. Don't tease her lang. See? Next time she won't kiss you anymore lang because you're doing that to her. See, you don't tease her. Oh, Lene. Ay, kalabit ba lamang, anak? Ano na, mag-shower na tanak. Uy, Lene. Lulu. You okay? Uy. What'd you say? Ay. You finish naman. Na ate okay na siya. Aww, you finish naman na. I just had a shower, tita and tito. I look very fresh now. I feel very fresh. Yeah? Aww, good girl. Good job. Ito yung kusang lumabas tapos gusto mong gagawin. Sleepy na to, guys.